Welcome to Integrative Nutrition for Life video presentation.
L-Carnitine is a naturally occurring compound essential for energy production, metabolic efficiency, and cellular vitality. Its primary role is transporting long-chain fatty acids into the mitochondria, where they can be converted into usable energy. This process supports endurance, metabolic balance, and overall physical performance. Adequate L-carnitine levels help maintain steady energy throughout the day and contribute to healthy muscle and organ function. Chemically, L-carnitine is a quaternary ammonium compound with the formula C7H15O3. Its structure allows it to bind to fatty acids and shuttle them across the mitochondrial membrane, a function that makes it indispensable for fat metabolism. This biochemical design enables L-carnitine to support energy production, maintain metabolic flexibility, and protect cells from the buildup of metabolic byproducts. Inside your cells, L-carnitine activates key enzymes involved in fatty acid oxidation and mitochondrial energy generation. By helping transport fats into the mitochondria, it ensures that your cells can efficiently convert stored fuel into ATP, the body's primary energy currency. These reactions support stable energy levels, exercise performance, and long-term metabolic health. L-carnitine plays an important role in supporting both the nervous system and muscular function. It helps reduce oxidative stress in neurons, supports mitochondrial health, and contributes to mental clarity and focus. In muscles, L-carnitine assists with recovery, reduces exercise-induced fatigue, and supports endurance. When levels drop, both physical and cognitive performance can decline, leading to sluggishness and reduced stamina. Research shows that low L-carnitine levels can impair fat metabolism, reduce exercise capacity, and contribute to fatigue. Studies highlight that restoring optimal levels can improve mitochondrial efficiency, enhance physical performance, and support healthy metabolic function. Supplementation has also been shown to assist with recovery and reduce markers of oxidative stress. Peer-reviewed studies link L-carnitine to improved cardiovascular health, enhance mitochondrial activity, and better cognitive resilience. Scientists continue exploring its role in aging, metabolic regulation, and cellular repair. Its ability to support energy production and reduce oxidative stress makes it a valuable nutrient for long-term vitality and performance. You can increase your L-carnitine intake through foods such as beef, lamb, poultry, fish, and dairy products. Plant-based sources contain smaller amounts, but whole grains, nuts, and avocados can still contribute modestly. These nutrient-rich foods help support energy production, muscle function, and overall metabolic balance. For individuals who may not get enough L-carnitine from diet, especially those with higher physical demands, aging adults, or people following plant-based diet, supplements are widely available. Forms like L-carnitine, acetyl L-carnitine Alcar, and L-carnitine tartrate offer targeted benefits for energy, cognitive support, and exercise performance. Your body performs at its best when L-carnitine levels are optimal. This nutrient supports energy production, mental clarity, physical endurance, and metabolic efficiency. Maintaining healthy levels can help you feel more energized, focused, and physically capable throughout your day. Make L-carnitine a supportive part of your wellness routine. Your energy, your metabolism, and your long-term vitality will benefit from stronger mitochondrial function. Stay committed to your health journey and continue watching the series to build a more energized, resilient, and high-performing you. Like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell so you never miss an update. Share your health goals in the comments and let us know what topics you want next. Together, we are building unstoppable energy and vitality. Your journey starts now.
Do you have questions, comments, or want expert health tips? Visit the website integrativenutritionforlife.com and reach out via email today. Connect with a very smart, knowledgeable, triple certified health coach ready to help you improve your health and well-being.